Hello everyone, welcome to the new session. So in previous video, we were learning lesson number 2, computer language and programming techniques. So before going to continue in the new topics, let's have a small recap what we have learned in the previous session. The first session we have covered the points, introduction and categories of computer languages. These 2 points we have covered in the first video. Then we have covered in the next session, second part of the video, that is some translator programs, what is program, and the different types of program, as well as we have learned what is program. So these points, 4 points were covered in the part 2. And now we are going to cover in this video the part various technical terms and what is pseudocode. So these 2 points we are going to learn through this video. Please watch it carefully and I'll suggest that you can repeat and watch it once again so you will get clarification. Basically, these various technical terms we are learning for to understand computer programming. So if you know the terms, easily you can make a small program. Okay. So please pay attention. So before going to start this various technical terms, let's have a small recap what we have learned in previous session. So in introduction, we have learned about the language. We all know that language is a medium to express your views and ideas. Okay, so same way we need to learn computer languages to learn about understand about the computer language is nothing but a language which a computer can understand, and we can use it to communicate with computer. If you want to communicate with computer, we should know the computer languages. So all the computer languages are categorized into 4 categories. Those are uh, let's me click to the points. Let's come slide. Okay, so categories of computer, 4 are there: first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation. As computer field gets grown up and the changes have take place, same way the computer languages also got changed. In first generation machine language, second generation in first generation machine language, second generation assembly, third generation high level, and fourth generation modern language. So computer language also slowly gradually got updated. But the fact and very important interesting fact is computer understands only one language, that is machine language. Okay, which is used binary form. This already we have covered in the previous session in the details. So here that's why I'm going little fast. This program also fast, but it has some limitations. It is a little tough and tiresome. So it is difficult, and that's why it's known as LLL, low level languages. Okay, second generation language is assembly language. That it was little easy in that mnemonic codes were used. Okay, but finally this language we need to convert into machine language because computer understand only machine language. Then we learn third generation language, that is high level language. That was easy, that's why it is known as high level language. The example of this language is C++ and Java. Then fourth generation language become more easier, like computer how we humans speak such type of languages. An example, this language is also known as 4GL. Okay, and most 4GLs are used database. What is the database, that we will understand in this session. Then this is highly user friendly, means very easy as well as fast. So this we have covered the 4 different languages categories in the first session. Then in the second session we have learned the translator programs, what is program, what is programming. Okay, so as we learn in the first session that computer understand only the one language, so that's why we need to convert all the programming language into machine language. That's why we need the translator. So there are 3 translator: assembler, compiler, and interpreter. Assembler translate, assembler convert or translate assembly language to machine. Compiler converts or translate high level language into machine. Interpreter also convert high level language into machine. So finally these all are the 3 translator which convert all the programs into machine language. Okay, some are slow, some are fast. And also we have learned what is program. In the last session we have learned what is program. Programming is a set of instruction arranged in the logical order sequence to tell computer what to do. Actually in program we tell the computer step by step all the instructions what to do or how to perform. Okay, like for example take a game. In game we tells the suppose we are preparing Spider-Man game. So if you will press the right arrow, so Spider-Man should turn right. If you will press left arrow key, then Spider-Man should turn to left. So these all instructions, step by steps, we have to instruct to the computer. So that's why we need to make a sequence or set. That set is called program. What is a programming? To do all this writing process of a program is called programming. This also we have learned in the last session. Then we have covered 3 4 types of modular different types of programming concept: modular programming, procedural programming, event driven programming, object oriented programming. So watch video number part 2. In that it is given in the details. So here I am going to cut short this one. So we have covered in previous 2 videos. The sessions are introduction, categories of computer language, then some translator programs, what is program, the different types of programs, okay, what is programming. Let's learn today's point, various technical terms, and what is pseudocode. So let's come to the today's point. This is the new point which we are going to cover through today's session. Technical terms. When you want to write a program, when you want to make a program, you need to use different terms, and those all terms are introduced here now. The first term is command, second is data, third one is data type, fourth one is variable, then consonant, then comments, and then at the end operators. And operators are four types: assignment operator, arithmetic operator, relational operator, and logical operator. So let's learn one by one what is this all. Commands. As I said, if suppose for example games, we are going to prepare Spider-Man game and we want to make Spider-Man to run left or right or jump. So we need to specify the instructions. Okay, those instructions are commands. These are the keywords that tells the computers what to do. Okay, these instructions, for example, if you will want to move it left, so if you will press left key, it should turn left. Spider-Man should turn left. So these instructions we have to write. So there are, for that instruction there are specific commands. Those commands, those keywords we have to use. So command means the keywords that tell computer what to do. Actually the program is made of different set of commands only. Next concept is data. Data means the instruction or information which we enter into computer. A raw type of information which we enter into computer, that is called data. Okay. It divided into 3 different parts. How we can enter the data? Either we can enter in the number form, alphabets form, or special symbol form. Sometimes we are typing 0 to 9. Sometimes we are typing A to Z. Sometimes writing different symbol. So when we are entering any information, we are entering into in these 3 forms. Let's learn data types. What is data type? A data type in programming language is a set of data with the values having predefined characteristics. Okay. As I said it previously also, when we want to type our name, how we are typing? Are we typing number 0 to 9 or alphabets? Suppose I want to write my name Peter. So what I'll use? I'll use number or I'll use ABCD. Definitely I'll use alphabets ABCD. Okay. I'll write PETER. So what is this? This is a text. What I have typed, that is a text type. Okay. And suppose I want to write my roll number, then I need to use numbers. Okay. So that is number type. So there are different data types: character data types, number data types. For example, here it is used. If you want to type numbers or letters, you can use, or text, you can use integer and float type of data type. So this is already have predefined. So we have to just select, and in that it will accept only letter or only numbers, not others. So here we learn data types. Then variable. Variable is the small memory. Okay, variable is small memory which we can use into programming time. When we make a program, that time we can use a memory, and that is known as variable. Okay, variable means name storage. Okay, name storage location which is used to store value. Variable is a name of storage location which is used to store the value. In program, if you want to store particular values or characters, that you can store with the help of variables. Its value can get changed throughout the program, and variable means getting changed. Variable means variations. Okay, variations. So in throughout the program, the value of the variable can change. In simple language, if you want to understand, means variable means short memory in the programming. Memory in the programming, which gets changed. Let's understand constant. Constants are the types of data that do not change throughout the program. Just now we have learned about the variable. Variable data gets changed throughout the programming. But constant, okay, sorry, constant is a fixed value. It doesn't change during the program. Okay. So constant are the types of data that do not change throughout the program. Please keep it in your mind. Variable and constant, okay, are of just opposite. Variable get changed, constant are fixed, not getting changed. Comments. Comments allow you to put remarks and notes to yourself inside the program. It allows you to write some instruction regarding the commands. Why we wrote these commands or why we taken these numbers. So whatever instructions you want to write in the program, directly you cannot write. You need to use comments, and then only you can instruct, or you can write some information or instruction regarding that particular command. So comments are allow you to put remarks and notes to yourself inside the computer program. So let's learn about the next point, which is very important, very easy. So I hope you will understand easily. Operators. An operator program element that is applied to one or more operand in an existence of statement. Actually, operator controls everything. Okay, in commands generally we are using different operators, and we are controlling the programs. So there are four types of operators: assignment operator, arithmetic operator, relational operator, and logical operator. I hope so you got. Okay, the four types. Just keep it simply in your mind: operator and the four types of operator. Okay, assignment operator, arithmetic operator, relational operator, and logical operator. Got it?